Oh shit. So she have a mental issue. Oh shit. Oh!
I was looking for Sophie.
Hello, it's so far.
Karina cast. Very bad school. The three of us.
Hey baby. You want mommy?
She left without warning, no explanation.
You're so expressive for a 1-year-old. Oh my god.
In this town.
I won't lie to you. I know he's just not right for you. And you could tell me if I'm off, but I see it on your face when you say that he's the one that you want. And you're spending all your time in this wrong situation, and anytime you want it to stop.
And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Back on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead.
Time to impress. Come and climb in my bed. Don't need no butterflies when you give me the whole day. Don't give up, don't give up, no, no, no. Don't give up, don't give up. It's time I hate it. What am I to do with my life? I'm supposed to know much better. My name is no, my sign is no. We're being no. You need to let it go. You need to let it go. Need to let it go. Down to the I to the no.
And every time I go out, yeah, hear it from this one, hear it from that one. Let's get someone new.
If you know about me and choose to stay, then take this place.
Mala. Hi everybody. Hi. Guys, I just had lunch. I had a cup soup. I forgot to show you guys what I was eating. But my second client is outside. I wanted to take a couple minutes to post a promotion on Instagram, a sponsored post, but I can't find the stuff. And the post I wanted to use, anyways, Marla did feel sleepy, so I'm gonna try to put her to sleep. My brother's here with her, so it's not like she's alone, but she just eats. We just feed her and she feels sleepy, so you know. But I'm gonna start client number 3 now. She's technically 2, but technically 3, if you know what I'm saying, because I had a makeup client in the morning. But I'm gonna start her now. So I feel so sleepy, guys. I'm so tired. Laying on Mother's makeshift bed, by the way, on the floor. She loved down here. But yeah, I need to do up my nails in white. I love them in white. I hated it at first, but it's a keeper, definitely a keeper. And this one broke yesterday, and this one I slammed into a freaking car door. Almost passed out. Like after slamming there, I was like, what the heck? Yeah, and then this one just broke while I was putting on my pants this morning. It came off. I'm definitely gonna do white again. White is definitely a color to keep. But yeah, I'm gonna go start her now. Marla, you not stop fast.
We made a decision to put his body in the freezer. Big chest freezer in the garage. I suppose we thought it might keep it
Yes, and
fresh. It's crazy thinking, panic thinking.
Alright guys, I am done working for today. I am done working. I am tired. I finished cleaning up, had a shower, and now I'm about to drink some of this good stuff. I had a lot of crap to eat today, and because of that I'm really bloated. You guys have no idea how good this stuff is. Like, when I drink this tonight, tomorrow morning I am going. Okay, as I'm awake I'm going, and it's not like explosive. I'll make a review video for you guys soon, but this is the Teamy Colon. I'm gonna have my discount code down below in the description bar if you guys want to try it. I have the Colon and I have the Active, and I've had them for a minute, but I'm telling you, this right here will make you go. This is my belly, but it will be gone in the morning, I'm telling you that. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, good morning. Sunday. Started work. Well, about to start. Gonna get rid of these today, so that I can get them done tomorrow, which is Monday. So I'm so tired, guys. Like, mad tired. But I'm about to start my first client for the day. Today I have a hair client. I have one installation, a makeup at 1, I think, and then I have what else do I have? I have a repair, and I have a tightening for actual lock. So 4 clients today. Yeah, tired, but we gonna get this money, okay? I'm not gonna do a setup like I did yesterday for you guys to see, because I already did that. I'm just gonna do like befores and afters of like the work. So I'll see you guys in a little bit.
Spell I found in the Demonomicon, and what if I put it out there that I'm looking for a familiar and see if anyone wants to volunteer? I think that's a charming idea.
If I tell you, you're loving the fire.
Hey guys, morning. It is Monday. We're gonna start fall. It's Monday. I am chilling today. I don't have any work today. I just got back from the salon and I did my nails. I really had white on first, as you guys could see. I love the white. I never tried the white before, but I loved it now. And I was contemplating going with white, olive green, or red, or this. So I chose this. I don't know, am I the only one who struggles when, like, if you pick out a color for up on your nails or something? It's just the hardest thing ever. Comment below if you share that same sentiment. But I'm going to get something to eat now. It's like probably 2-1 now. Yeah, it's probably 2-1. I have class tonight, so I'm leaving here at about 3 o'clock to get to my 6 o'clock class on time or early. The traffic for in Kingston insane, y'all know this. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog of my weekend. I'm also right now editing a video. I'm editing as we speak. I'm trying to get the previous vlog before this. That's what I'm editing now. Guys, like, I love my locks. I love them. Like, I love them. Normally I don't ever have them in this long, but I love them. I think the problem was, okay, so I was having dry scalp issues. The problem was my dry scalp issue, and I did not know how to fix it. So I bought this oil. Let me see if I can show you what I get. So I bought this, right? Sulfate medicated like anti-dandruff hair and scalp conditioner. Guys, my scalp has not acted up since I applied this like twice. That's it. And I have really, really bad dry scalp. I was even contemplating clarifying my hair with like my scalp with the ACV and stuff, which I am going to do because I really need to get my hair back in tip-top shape. But I use that. It worked like a charm, so I can keep my styles in longer now. People never know. That's the reason why I changed my hair so much, because they literally can't keep, because I keep on scratching it and then it's white and that whole thing. So now I am going to eat. And yeah, I just hope you guys enjoyed the vlog of the weekend. You know, me showing you guys what it's like on a busy weekend for me. The weekend was pretty busy. I did stop working until like probably like 8:30 or 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock last night. 8 o'clock, and then when I left here it was like 8:30. Yeah, so it was like 8 o'clock. Yeah, that's what a typical busy weekend looks like for me. I have a lot of plans in the pipeline for my channel and stuff, so I want you guys to just stick around. Don't go anywhere. You guys will enjoy the content because I have a lot planned. It's just that sometimes I hope the birds chirping isn't annoying, but sometimes it's kind of hard to like pencil out everything that you have planned. Not even pencil it out, execute it, because you have so much going on up here and then so much going on in real life. I'm learning balance, and like that's something that's very, very important, learning to balance stuff, balance aspects of your life and compartmentalize. So that may I learn, and I think I'm doing okay. I'm just tired like most of the time, guys. Like, it's not that I don't want to reply to your comments, because when you comment I feel so hype. I'm like, yeah, but I just can't reply to the comments. I'm like, that's the struggle I'm having. And normally I would reply on my commute to and from somewhere, but it just depends on if I drive somewhere or if I'm in public transport. I love to take public transport for the fact that it gives me time, so somebody else that do the driving and all that good, and you just get to just be in the vehicle. But like it's so mentally stressful. I can't sit back and comment on my stuff in public transport anymore, because one, you have to watch who you're in the vehicle with. You don't know who will go like grab you of your shit. And then like two, the driver them a drive say insane see ya. I don't know, you a drive like you have to watch like what them a do, because you just scared them gonna do something stupid. But I'm gonna work on the content. I have some crazy things coming, guys, especially for my brand. This was really to promote my work. That's what this vlog was really about, to promote my work, my brand, Natural Glam by Toya. Hold on, make the man a pass. In van just heavy, so yeah, but this vlog was really to promote my brand, Natural Glam by Toya. I'm gonna have my work Instagram below, my my main Instagram, and my booking email, so you guys can like email me, or if you go on my Instagram you'll see my work number, the number you guys can contact me on if you want to book for a style or so, and the link to the Instagram so you guys can view the different variations of the style and all the services that I offer. My Snapchat, all that stuff, the links will be down below. Follow me on there, drop your comments and everything so we can share the love. Alright, it's like I really enjoyed filming this. I had to put the phone in like the grill, and then someone there forget the angles, if you guys are wondering. Like, it was crazy, but I really had fun this weekend with you guys, and I hope you enjoy this vlog. I've been talking for 5 minutes. This is too long an outro. I'm gonna chat too much, but I love you guys so much. You guys have no idea. I'm loving them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. All right.